Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so the next time you won't be new here. And if you're already subscribed, then you are ahead of the game. This is my best friend. Best friend, who are you?
Hi, I'm Christiana, and today I'm going to be bleaching Ashley's beautiful hair so that she can eventually get a nice lavender color.
I feel like we're on like HGTV.
Alright.
Wait, this is your first time on YouTube since like elementary school, middle school, right?
I would hope so. Ready, Freddie?
I'm ready, Freddie. So, Christiana, you want to tell the world, the internet, about our friendship while you bleach my hair?
Okay, so me and Ashley have been friends since 5th grade.
Yeah, 5th grade. Okay.
I remember Ashley being one of the funniest people in class.
Wait, I was?
Yes.
Yeah, there we go. Ooh, there we go.
Yes. I actually got bullied out of my first boyfriend.
Oh yeah!
Who was Ashley's friend.
Yeah, oh my gosh, because like everyone in the class liked the same boy. And I think that's what made me and Christiana like close to each other, because instead of fighting over him, we would call each other on the phone at night like, oh my god, did you see what he did today? Oh my god, he was so cute. But like looking back, he was so not cute. Like he had a cross eye and he was so like into himself and whatever. And like we used to like joke about how his eye would like be looking at you like when I would like drift away. But everyone liked him so much. And then he ended up liking Christiana back. And then I was like, yeah, you go girl. I wasn't like, damn, you took the boy. Like, you know, like, it wasn't like that.
Yeah, we were like,
we were so like
cordial
good
friends.
sports
And I feel
about
like that's
the same boy.
part of the reason why I fucked with Ashley so much. Because you know, most people, you can't even, that would be a huge argument. We probably never.
I do like that boy. I like that boy. Yes,
oh shit.
yeah. And you can get it on my skin a little bit too, because I don't want any black pieces left.
That's fine. This is the first time you've seen your hair this way?
Yes. Yo, I'm a bad bitch.
Yes, you are. Say it again.
I'm a bad bitch.
Bad bitches don't.
You guys, like, this is crazy.
Y'all do like root hair like platinum.
Yeah. This makes my hairline a lot more prominent though, like, because like the contrast is like, whoa. It's like, hey hairline. I definitely need to play some baby hair. Oh my gosh, my hair feels like a ramen noodles. Bitch. Hold on. I'm using the Joico Color Balance Purple Shampoo, and oh my gosh, it's like working. I mean, that sounds so stupid, like it's working, but whatever. I'm gonna let this sit for probably like, I don't know, like 30 more seconds, because I've already had it sit on there for about 10 minutes. So, oh my gosh, look at my hair. So bright. So what I just did is I just put a little bit of this conditioner in my hair. I just used that on my hair because I figured it'd be really hard to apply the toner if it was like, you know, feeling like ramen noodles. Like my hair feels like ramen noodles before you boil it. I mean, but like before I put the conditioner, now it feels soft.
Yeah, it's dry, it's still curly.
Okay, so now we are going to tone.
Ready?
Literally just, you're trying to saturate all the hair as fast as possible. Yeah, so like that, and then just rub it together. I can help. Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let me see. Get some. Different. I have like the kind of like brown twinge that's coming to it just from the 910. You see why I only put like a twinge of it?
Alright.
Yeah, that's it for my eyeliner. That's gone. Oh shit. Dude. Oh wait, this still so. It's like in between blonde and brown. It's an interesting color. Alright guys, I just came out from under the dryer with the hair smoothie and the conditioner in my hair. And I haven't rinsed it out yet, but my hair feels so ridiculously soft. So I'm gonna just rinse it out now. Alright y'all, I don't even know how to style this. But y'all, you know, like I've never had hair this light before. And I didn't know I can't lay my edges. Like if I put edge control on, like my hair disappears. That's really all I have for this video because I don't know how to style it, but I am going to drop some pictures on the screen of when I figure it out with me looking cute because I know it's coming. Definitely, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, you know what to do. You know where the button is. I don't have to tell you, but I will tell you to subscribe to my channel. And if you already are subscribed to my channel, then thank you guys. I love you guys. And then follow me on all of my social media. You'll see on the screen right here. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video.